Hey Chakra Warriors, it's a beautiful rainy day, so I thought I'd take the time to announce, this is a big announcement, that I'm shifting to some solar plexus stuff, and I'm going to have a 30-day video challenge on actualizing your purpose. What does that mean? It means if you want to finally put your calling out there, your purpose out there to help people, if you've always wanted to take what your purpose is and put it out there and help people, then this 30-day video challenge is for you. It's also for the people who already have businesses and want to level up. And if you're not really into the business thing, I'm also going to throw some confidence stuff in there and some being resourceful. Being resourceful is essential for businesses or putting your purpose out there, but also essential for everyday people. And trust me, I'm one of the most resourceful people you know, because I started my business about 5 years ago and I struggled, had to be real resourceful just so I can keep on doing it, because I knew I had this burning desire to get out there in the world and help everyone. And I think you guys know that I've struggled. You've watched it. You've watched my up and downs. I've been very, I've put it out there. So I hope that you've, enjoyed. Part of it is documenting the climb, right? And I'm going to go through and do 30 days of a lot of things I've learned and just pass the knowledge on to you guys so you can go and implement it too. I've pulled myself out of bankruptcy even. And it's, being resourceful is an essential part of that. Everyone's like, make something on being resourceful. So I'm going to do that. But also it's hard just to be alone trying to do this, trying to put your calling out in the world, right? It gets lonely. You don't know if you're making the right offering. You don't even have clarity on your offering. Sometimes you don't know if you're even creating something that people are going to want to buy. And then, even if you do want to sell it, now you're worried about being salesy, and then you have all this fear and blah, blah, blah. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to help the people who want to put their purpose out in the world, who want to help people or to start a business. I'm going to help the Chakra Warriors in the group for the next 30 days and just post videos about that. Just so that you guys can go and get started doing your own thing. I'll give you tips. I'll give you tips on making videos, marketing, social media, how to activate the algorithms, what your offering should look like, clarity, how to talk to people so you don't sound too salesy, how to even write stuff that people, or film stuff that people are actually going to want to watch, and of course being resourceful. So a lot of clarity. I'm super excited. Okay, so follow me for the next 30 days, and I guess I want some material. This is solar plexus, right? You guys know that I put the chakras out logically in your life. So we're shifting to solar plexus, purpose, motivation, confidence, keeping on going, resilience, right? Getting your calling out there. Okay, so here's my question for you. Please answer in the comments below so I can make videos addressing it for the next 30 days. What's the biggest struggle you're having in putting your purpose out there, your calling, trying to help people, leveling up your business, starting your business? What's the biggest struggle you're having in your solar plexus when it comes to purpose and your business? Put in the comments below. I'll make videos about it. I'll give you guys free information. I'm super excited. And this is really important, right? Because I'm starting to really work with a lot of business people. I've always been working with business people, but that's what I'm doing now. And I'm going to announce it soon, but I'm developing a program just for, it's called the Boss Lady Kickstart Your Offering and Launch, Market, Sell Your Offering. So that's just working with the people who have a calling to put out there. Anyways, let me know your biggest struggle. I want to hear it. I'll make videos. I'll give you guidance. I'll give you answers. I'll help you guys out. I'm super excited for this. Mwah.